When you begin earning money, it's crucial to manage it wisely, just as you would with any other aspect of life. Overspending can deplete your resources, while not spending at all can lead to a lack of comfort and luxury. So how can you navigate this challenge? Is it an impossible task? Not at all. You must ensure you always have enough as you earn money in the real world. You must generate a sufficient income so that financial concerns don't plague you when you approach retirement. Making money may be manageable, but many people struggle with budgeting. Many individuals find it challenging to determine how much to allocate to savings, how much should cover property and vehicle maintenance, and how much should be set aside as an emergency fund. While you might have a financial advisor to assist you, taking control of your finances is often better. That's why today, we're going to share some essential techniques for mastering your finances in just 30 days. Sound appealing? Let's dive right in. Analyze your budget. When you decide to take control of your finances through budgeting, it's crucial to assess your income and expenses thoroughly. This involves a careful analysis to understand your financial situation. Having a clear picture of your spending on everything from electricity and cable to phone bills, fuel, gas, and transportation is essential. Each expense should have predetermined amounts allocated to them within your budget. Adhering to your budget is paramount, especially if you intend to start building a substantial savings fund. Once you've understood your monthly expenses, subtract the total from your monthly income. The remaining amount should be channeled into your savings account, assuming no unexpected emergencies arise. An even more effective approach is to establish an automatic transfer that moves this surplus from your primary account to your savings account every month. Analyzing your budget will be immensely beneficial as you embark on your savings journey. You'll quickly recognize its long-term advantages as you accumulate substantial savings over time. Budgeting. Now let's delve into budgeting, which is even more crucial than simply analyzing your budget. Many individuals need to pay more attention to budgeting because they anticipate it as an uphill task involving listing expenses, performing calculations, and ensuring everything aligns correctly. Furthermore, if you have a history of struggling with money management, you don't have any valid excuses to neglect budgeting. All it requires is to dedicate a few hours to document your financial details and create a budget. Crafting a monthly budget is simple. You begin by recording your essential payments, such as your mortgage or rent and car expenses. Additionally, it's essential to stay organized with your utility bills. Creating a budget offers you long-term focus and benefits. You'll naturally witness its effectiveness after a few months of practicing budgeting. Another valuable aspect of budgeting is its ability to help you eliminate unnecessary monthly expenses. It enables you to plug those small financial leaks that often go unnoticed. When you tally these amounts at the end of the month, you'll be surprised by how much you've spent. So, ensure you create a budget and put it into practice. Refer to it throughout the month to guide your spending decisions. As you pay your bills and manage other expenses, keep your budget updated concurrently to maintain a constant awareness of your spending. A crucial tip is to prioritize your significant expenses to avoid accumulating unpaid bills until the month's end. If you're fortunate, you might have a decent amount left over for discretionary spending by month's end. Limit your credit card purchases. It's important to understand that managing your finances effectively involves recognizing that credit cards can be a significant obstacle. When you run low on cash during the month, you often resort to credit cards without considering the consequences, such as whether you can afford to pay off the balance. Your mental strength and willpower are crucial in controlling your credit card spending. Fortunately, there are several solutions to address this issue. To begin with, consider making cash-only purchases. Ensure you carry a substantial amount of cash with you so that you rely on your available funds to make necessary purchases. Alternatively, opt for a debit card. The spending limit on your debit card corresponds to the amount you have in your account, making it a more responsible choice than a credit card. The spending cap imposed by a debit card is a helpful deterrent for individuals who struggle to restrain themselves from overspending. When you have a credit card readily available, everything can seem tempting, leading to impulsive spending that could result in substantial debts. Ultimately, one effective solution is to eliminate your credit cards. Resisting the temptation to use your credit cards and taking steps to get rid of them permanently can provide a lasting solution. Consider switching to a debit card or relying on physical cash whenever possible to gain better control over your financial situation. Contribute to savings regularly. Depositing money into a savings account each month is a fundamental step in developing sound financial habits. To streamline this process, you can arrange an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This automation eliminates the need to remember and manually execute the transfer, making it a convenient and effective way to manage your savings. The significance of a savings account becomes evident when unforeseen circumstances or urgent financial needs arise. A financial cushion in the form of a savings account can be a lifesaver. Whether it's a medical emergency, unexpected car repair, or any other unanticipated expense, your savings can provide you with the necessary funds without using loans or credit cards. For individuals who need help saving money or prefer not to keep it in an account, an alternative approach is to entrust someone trustworthy with safekeeping your funds. This method ensures that your money remains secure and accessible when needed. Consistently contributing to your savings has far-reaching benefits. It fosters responsible financial behavior and positively impacts your credit score, which is crucial for various financial transactions and opportunities. Moreover, regular savings build a solid foundation for long-term financial security and contribute significantly to your journey toward financial freedom. Given the many advantages of savings accounts, it's a wise and prudent choice for anyone looking to secure their financial future. Savings serve as a resource to tap into during emergencies, providing peace of mind and financial stability. While savings primarily function as a safety net, their broader implications extend to strengthening your overall economic well-being. Save up for big purchases. When considering a substantial purchase, using money from your savings rather than relying on your credit cards is advisable. As previously mentioned, depending on credit cards is a financial practice that should be discontinued. By postponing significant expenditures and avoiding using credit cards, you allow yourself to assess the necessity of the investment thoroughly. It also grants you extra time to compare prices and explore more cost-effective options. Another compelling reason to save rather than credit is the financial advantage of avoiding interest charges. Paying for a purchase with cash means you won't accrue interest on the transaction, which can result in substantial savings over time. This prudent financial approach prioritizes fiscal responsibility and minimizes the long-term cost of your purchases. Furthermore, saving for significant expenses aligns with the principle of financial safety. Using your savings instead of credit minimizes the risk of accumulating high-interest debt and experiencing financial regret later on. This approach ensures that you and your money are on a secure and stable financial path, safeguarding your economic well-being and peace of mind. Get the best prices. Achieving savings can be effectively accomplished by being vigilant about finding the best prices for your essentials, clothing, and accessories. Keeping an eye out for sales events is crucial, as these often feature items at significantly reduced prices. Comparison shopping is pivotal, ensuring you pay the lowest possible prices for the products and services you need. Embracing discounts and coupons and exploring cheaper alternatives are vital strategies. For instance, opting for an annual subscription over monthly renewals proves more economical when calculated for subscriptions like Netflix. These small adjustments can significantly impact your overall savings. Managing your finances is a gradual process that requires time and consistency. Initially, adjusting to the practice of planning and delaying purchases until you can comfortably afford them might be challenging. However, incorporating these strategies into your life is essential to stay ahead financially. By proactively applying these tips, you position yourself to make informed decisions, ensuring financial stability and security. The more adept you become at managing your finances, the smoother your life journey will be, free from unnecessary financial stressors. Differentiate between needs and wants. Differentiating between needs and wants is a fundamental concept when budgeting effectively. It involves discerning the essential expenses necessary for survival and maintaining your quality of life needs from the discretionary or non-essential expenditures that add comfort or enjoyment, wants. This distinction is pivotal because it guides your financial decision-making and helps you prioritize where your money should go. Needs typically include critical items like housing costs, rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, heating, groceries, transportation, commuting to work, healthcare, and essential clothing. These are expenses you cannot reasonably do without, as they are necessary for daily living and well-being. Conversely, it wants to encompass non-essential expenditures such as dining out at restaurants, entertainment, luxury clothing, high-end electronics, or extravagant vacations. While they intend to contribute to a higher quality of life and bring joy, they are not necessary for survival. When budgeting, you must consistently cover your needs before allocating funds to want. Prioritizing needs first helps secure your financial stability and ensures that you can handle unexpected expenses or emergencies without going into debt. Once your essential costs are met, you can allocate any remaining funds towards your wants or savings goals. By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can make more informed spending choices, reduce unnecessary expenses, and channel your resources toward financial goals like debt reduction, building an emergency fund, or saving for the future. This practice fosters financial discipline and resilience, enhancing your overall economic well-being. Conclusion: make sure to put these techniques to use if you want to become better at budgeting and managing your expenses. Good luck, and we'll see you very soon in another video.